And this morning in the program Talk Time, yet again we have our Dr. Anirudh Chandorkar from Pune with us to showcase this morning the music of Anil Biswas. Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning, ma'am, and a very good morning to all of your audience.
It's a bright, rainy morning here in Delhi, and I believe in Maharashtra also.
Yes.
Okay,
It's raining here as well, and the monsoons have been very active in the last few days.
Yes.
So Anil Biswas is a legend in the history of Hindi film music. A lot of the music directors talk of him as Bhishma Pitamaha. He has that much respect, and he fully deserves it. He has seen and is instrumental for setting up playback singing as we understand, and in setting up Hindi film music as we understand and enjoy today. He has been active over 3 decades. He actually initiated so many great singers into Hindi film music that it's amazing. He is the one who gave breaks to Talat Mahmood. He gave a break to Mukesh, and he's a rare genius. He has ethereal musical beauties that are remembered even today, 5, 6, 7 decades after he composed them. He was incidentally a good singer himself as well. Who can forget, say, Tumhare Bulane Ko Ji Chahta Hai by Lata from Ladli, which even today we remember. So this is the genius that we'll be talking of, and it's only fitting that I start off with his iconic song, which was actually Mukesh's first hit song in Hindi film music. It is Dil Jalta Hai To Jalne De. It is from a movie called Pehli Nazar, composed in the rag Darbari Kannada. Anil Da had to actually sit on the producer's head and overrule his wishes and have this song sung by Mukesh. The song was such a big hit, and amazingly in a family function, K.L. Sehgal heard the song and said, I don't remember having sung this. And this is a man who truly made Mukesh and gave us 24 hit songs. So the first song, Dil Jalta Hai.
दिल जलता है तो जलने दे, आंसू न बहा फरियाद न कर, दिल जलता है तो जलने दे, आंसू न बहा फरियाद न कर, दिल जलता है तो जलने दे। तू पर्दा नशी का आशिक है, यूं नाम वफा बर्बाद न कर, तो पर्दा नशी का आशिक है, यूं नाम वफा बर्बाद न कर, दिल जलता है तो जलने दे। मासूम नजर के तीर चला, बिस्मिल को बिस्मिल और बना, मासूम नजर के तीर चला, बिस्मिल को बिस्मिल और बना। अब शर्मो हया के पर्दे में यूं छुप छुप के बेदाग न कर, अब शर्मो हया के पर्दे में यूं छुप छुप के बेदाग न कर, दिल जलता है तो जलने दे। हम आस लगाए बैठे हैं, तुम वादा करके भूल गए। हम आस लगाए बैठे हैं तुम वादा करके भूल गए, या सूरत आके दिखा जाओ, या कह दो हमको याद न कर, या सूरत आके दिखा जाओ, या कह दो हमको याद न कर। दिल जलता है, दिल जलता है, दिल जलता है।
What a beautiful song.
And that is the beauty of Anil Da. Anil Da was the man who created the first Indian instrumental orchestra. He created just 12 instruments, and he changed the way instrumentation was used for composing Hindi film music. The next song is a beautiful duet, one of my all-time favorites. The great part about this duet, which is sung by Lata Di and Talat Mahmood, is the lyrics were composed by Prem Dhawan, who was a constant accompanying person with Anil Da. Although it is a sad song, the innovative genius of the man is seen in the sense that he composed the entire song in 15 minutes while actually driving a car. And although it is a sad song, he used a major scale and also used 3 different tunes for the 3 antras. Now this innovativeness has been later on copied by a lot of other composers, including Madan Mohan, and that is the reason why the man is thought of as a Bhishma Pitamaha. It is from the movie Tarana, which is a Dilip and Madhubala star. सीने में सुलगते हैं अरमा.
सुलगते हैं अरमान, आँखों में उदासी छाई है, ये आज तेरी दुनिया से हमें तकदीर कहाँ ले आई है, सीने में सुलगते हैं अरमान। तुझसे गिला कोई हमको, ना कोई शिकायत दुनिया से, 2-4 कदम जब मंजिल थी, 2-4 कदम जब मंजिल थी, किस्मत ने ठोकर खाई है, सीने में सुलगते हैं अरमान।
तो गले
beautiful. Which is the next song you'll talk about?
The next song is actually Tarak Mahmood's first breakthrough song in Hindi film music. It is from a movie called Aram. It was written by Rajendra Krishan, and there is a very interesting story behind this breakthrough song that Anilda gave to Talat. Talat had already become very famous for his two non-film ghazals, and when he came in for the audition, he sang in an entirely different tone. And so Anilda called him aside and asked him, "What happened to your voice?" So he said, no, I changed the tremulousness, the tremolo. So Anilda said, no, but that is your USP. You must stick to it. So he made him sing in his own voice and did not allow him to change it to suit other people's needs. And the result is the great genius. The guy with the amount of pathos in his voice retained that voice thanks to Anilda. This is one of the greatest girls ever picturized in Hindi film music. Shukriya, shukriya, shukriya hai pyar tera.
Shukriya, shukriya, shukriya hai pyar tera. शुक्रिया 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 ऐ प्यार दिल को कितना खूबसूरत गम दिया शुक्रिया दिल को कितना खूबसूरत गम दिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया ऐ प्यार तेरा शुक्रिया 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 ऐ प्यार आँख को आंसू दिए जो मोतियों से कम नहीं आँख को आंसू दिए जो मोतियों से कम नहीं दिल को इतने गम दिए के अब कोई भी गम नहीं दिल को इतने गम दिए के अब कोई भी गम नहीं मेहरबान जो कुछ किया अच्छा किया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया ऐ प्यार तेरा शुक्रिया 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 ऐ प्यार दर्द में डूबे तराने दे दिए जिंदगी को दर्द में डूबे तराने दे दिए हसरतों के आरज़ुओं के खजाने दे दिए हसरतों के आरज़ुओं के खजाने दे दिए ये नवाजिश है तेरी क्या क्या दिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया है प्यार तेरा शुक्रिया 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 है प्यार
Shukriya for this song. What a lovely song.
Thank you so much. The next song is a very, very unusual song. It is a duet by Mukesh ji and Lata Mangeshkar. It is from a movie called Lajawab, which had a very strange, lead cast with David Abraham, Kuldeep Kaur, Pran, Iftikhar, and so on. The unusual thing about this song is It is composed in a very unusual rag, very rarely performed rag called Kukub Bilawal. The Aro has only 5 swars, so it is called an Audav rag. Aro has all 7, so it is a Audav Sampurna rag, Kukub Bilawal, and it's a very beautiful duet. Zamane ka dastur hai ye purana, Mukesh and Lata.
ज़माने का दस्तूर है ये पुराना, ज़माने का दस्तूर है ये पुराना, मिटा कर बनाना, बना कर मिटाना, मिटा कर बनाना, बना कर मिटाना, ज़माने का दस्तूर है ये पुराना।
वफा क्या यही है जफा करने वाले, वफा क्या यही है जफा करने वाले, निगाहें मिला कर निगाहें चुराना, निगाहें मिला कर निगाहें चुराना, ज़माने का दस्तूर है ये पुराना।
मोहब्बत का अंजाम ज़ाहिर था हम पर, मोहब्बत का अंजाम ज़ाहिर था हम पर, बहुत हमने रोका मगर दिल न माना, बहुत हमने रोका मगर दिल न माना, ज़माने का दस्तूर है ये पुराना।
Lyric and melody at its best. Beautiful.
Absolutely, absolutely. The next song is from a movie which is a unique Indo-Russian joint production. I remember seeing this movie on Mumbai Doordarshan in the early 70s on one of the Sunday evening programs. The movie is called Pardesi, and the song is so beautifully sung. It is based on Rag Gaursarang, Lata Didi at her melodious best. It's a wonderful song that actually the visual part shows Padmini's dancing skills. Padmini was a very, very famous dancer. Unfortunately, she wasn't utilized to the extent that her talents actually permitted, because that time Vaijantiwala was the top reigning dancing star at that time. So this song is beautiful. Nadir Din.
Lakshmi sulila мне любовь.
Why can't we have music like this anymore now? Really, I wonder.
Yeah, I lament for that all the time. This is music without a expiry date totally. Music which was made 7 decades ago is still very fresh and so very, very pleasing to the soul. The next song is a unique song because the song has been sung by two singer actors. It's a duet who are also the singers and they have also been the stars in this movie. The movie is Waris. The actors are and the singers are Talat Mahmood and Suraya. This song, Rahi Matwale, was actually based on a Rabindra Sangit that clearly influenced Anilda or a Gurbashi. And the composition is unique because it replicates the train's movement and the tempo by using some string instruments like the viola and the violins. This was a Sohrab Modi movie. The movie entirely today is remembered for this one song, Rahi Matwale.
राही मतवाले तू छेड़ कुबार मन का सितार जाने कब चोरी चोरी आई है बाहर छेड़ मन का सितार राही मतवाले देख देख चकोरी का मन हुआ चंचल चंदा के मुखड़े पे बदली का अंचल देख देख चकोरी का मन हुआ चंचल चंदा के मुखड़े पे बदली का अंचल कभी छुपे कभी खिले रूप का निखार खिले रूप का निखार राही मतवाले कली कली चूम के पवन कहे खिल जा कली कली चूम के खिली कली भोर से कहे आके मिल जा पिया मिल जा कली कली चूम के दिल में सुनी कहीं दिल की पुकार दिल में सुनी कहीं दिल की पुकार कहीं दिल की पुकार राही मतवाले रात बनी दुल्हन भीगी हुई पलके बिनी बिनी खुशबू के सागर छलके रात बनी दुल्हन भीगी हुई पलके बिनी बिनी खुशबू के सागर चलते, ऐसे में नैनो से
नैना हुशार जरा नैना हुशार रानी मतवाली, मुझे एक बार मन का सितार,
जाने कब चोरी चोरी आई है बहार,
ये मन का सितार रानी मतवाली।
I just love it when Suraya's voice joins into Talat Mahmood's voice in this
She's so
song.
melodious when she enters the song. She's beautiful, absolutely goosebumps time. The next song is the one which typifies Anil Das' creativity. This is a song where it introduces all his elements which he innovated. It introduces a Bolbandi style of Thumri, and it also introduces a Ragmala, the fusion of various rags, and the singer has to navigate one to the other. So you will find that this song sung by Lata Didi from Sautela Bhai has this clear loss of influence of Noor Jahan which dominated her early voice. Lata Didi has said that Anil Das taught her so many techniques, including the playback techniques, use of microphone for voice modulation, distance change, and so on and so forth. And she has publicly acknowledged this, and that's why Anil Das is correctly called the Bhishma Pitamaha of Hindi film music. Ja Main Tose Nahi Bolu, extremely melodious composition, very difficult to sing. Only a Lata Didi can manage it.
जा मैं तो से नाही बोलूं, जा मैं तो से नाही बोलूं, तो से नाही बोलूं, जा मैं तो से नाही बोलूं। लाख जतन कर ले सजन, लाख जतन कर ले सजन, घूंघटा नहीं खोलूं, तो से नाही बोलूं, जा मैं घूंघटा नहीं खोलूं, तो से नाही बोलूं, जा मैं तो से ना
that was a near pure classical rendition.
Absolutely, absolutely. And such a difficult composition. So many singers have tried their own cover versions and failed. Without any surprise, really. The last song is to Anil Das. It's a tribute to Anil Das' second wife, Meena Kapoor, who was a great singer in her own right. In fact, people who don't know of Meena Kapoor, when they hear her song, especially this song, would be forgiven for mistaking that this is a Geeta Dutt song. This is from the last music composition that he made for Bollywood. A movie was made by Motilal, who was a legendary actor himself. He produced and directed the movie. Unfortunately, the movie took a long time coming, and so it didn't succeed very well at the box office. But a beautiful movie. It's called Choti Choti Baatein. And this is the last song by Anil Das for Meena Kapoor in Hindi films. It is a ghazal based on Gaur Sarang. It was filmed on Nadira. Nadira, in one of her rare roles as a leading lady, and Meena Kapoor sounds so much like Geeta Dutt. Kuch aur zamana kehta hai. With that, I pay my tribute to this genius, Anil Biswas, who actually went away from Hindi movies and took over various jobs, was a visiting professor at the JNU, was the conductor of the National Orchestra at All India Radios, and a genius in the truest sense.
And here, one more thing I'd like to say, Dr. Saab, that we have still time for one more song. And after the song, if you permit me, could I play one song from the film Aaram?
Of course. By all means, my pleasure.
Okay. So here it is, Kuch Aur Zamana Kehta Hai.
कुछ और ज़माना कहता है, कुछ और है जिद मेरे दिल की, कुछ और ज़माना कहता है, कुछ और है जिद मेरे दिल की, मैं बात ज़माने की मानूं या बात सुनूं अपनी दिल की, कुछ और ज़माना कहता है। दुनिया ने हमें बेरहमी से ठुकरा जो दिया, अच्छा ही किया, ठुकरा जो दिया, अच्छा ही किया। नादा हम समझे बैठे थे, नादा हम समझे बैठे थे, निभती है यहाँ दिल से दिल की, कुछ और ज़माना कहता है। इंसाफ मोहब्बत सच्चाई, इंसाफ मोहब्बत सच्चाई, वो रहमा करम के दिखलावे, कुछ कहते जुबां शर्माती है, कुछ कहते जुबां शर्माती है, पूछो ना जलन मेरे दिल की, कुछ और ज़माना कहता है।
This Monday morning, we had with us Dr. Anirudh Chandorkar, showcasing to us the music of Anil Biswas. And we end with this song, yet music by Anil Biswas, and the voice with which we began the program. This is Mukesh in the film Aaram.
जान जिगर दिल में समाने आजा, है जान जिगर दिल में समाने आजा, उजड़ी हुई बस्ती को बसाने आजा, है जान जिगर। दिल दर्द से बेताब है, ओ जान तमन्ना, आराम का पैगाम सुनाने आजा, आराम का पैगाम सुनाने आजा, है जान जिगर।
This Monday morning, in the program Talk Time, we were in conversation with Dr. Anirudh Chandorkar, an interventional heart specialist from the city of Pune, and he was talking about the music of Anil Biswas. We hope you enjoyed the program. You are tuned to AIR FM Gold on 100.1 MHz. The time by our studio clock now reads a few seconds to 12 noon. Please remain tuned in for the 10-minute news bulletin in English, which will then be followed by the 10-minute news bulletin in Hindi.
This is All India Radio, the news read by Valsa Williams. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011